When I set up my project in Profile Editor for export, I glossed over a feature, the unit template. This feature allows me to automatically add scaling and offsets to my values so all Modbus devices in the project have the same units. To be clear, this applies specifically to the Power Modbus driver. By default, I only have the standard template available, so let's click Set up Engineering Unit Templates. I'll go ahead and create a new template from the standard here. Below, I can see what conversions are already set up. This will make more sense if I check Display Advanced Fields. On the left, I have a base unit and its abbreviation. Anytime Profile Editor encounters a variable tag using this base unit, it will be converted to the unit I select using the multiplier and offset. We can see here in the standard template, most tags keep their base units. However, cubic meters will be converted to gallons, kilograms will be converted to pounds, and watts to kilowatts. These are fine for me, but if you live in the rest of the world, you may want to switch US customary units to SI units. Also, if you're working on a medium or high voltage system, it may be helpful to display amps as kiloamps and volts as kilovolts. Of course, we may need to change some of these units, so we can also click Add Edit Units. Let's say I'm working in a lab, and instead of angles in degrees, I need to measure them in radians. I'll select Degree and Add Conversion. Of course, I picked a difficult one because the scale here is technically 180 over pi. However, we'll estimate this with 57.296. You can think of this as the multiplier of our conversion unit to get back to the base unit, even though we're actually going in the other direction. This page will also allow you to add a new base unit if you need to convert entirely different values. Finally, we can apply conversions to specific tags on the Unit Exceptions tab. For example, I want my natural gas measurements to come through as cubic feet per the default units. However, I would rather have water volume delivered in gallons. I can set the unit conversion on just this tag rather than all volume-related tags. Also, if this input is actually reading in gallons and I don't want to perform the mathematical conversion, I can select Apply Unit Name Only. These are all the engineering unit conversion options available to me. At this point, when I export to my project, all devices using the Power Modbus driver will have their units automatically converted to the local standard. Making this change here can save you from having to perform the conversion manually, either in the variable tag or later in the project. Next, we can start adding devices to our project. Until then, thank you.